As we wait to usher in 2025, I'm here with beautiful ladies. Naona hawa ni team balozi. Leo ni kulewa na balozi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Mko salama?
Tuko salama labda.
I'm good. What's your name?
Ivy Nyambura.
Ivy Nyambura. How do you feel that we are coming to end year 2024?
I think I'm optimistic. Yeah. The year has been graceful to us, so we thank God for that. Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Eva.
Eva na Ivy. Ivy Eva. Team balozi. How do you feel like 2024 is coming to an end?
I'm excited actually, and I'm looking forward to 2025. Yeah.
Naona leo ni team balozi. Mumetuandalia yapi leo?
Today we are giving you t-shirts. Yeah. You drink 5 balozis, we give you a t-shirt.
But since I'm working, I should have the t-shirt even before I drink.
Tutakupanga.
Mwirari wa Gikûyu no ginya gafango gakore muwega gafango no atoginyanyu. And I would like to know tonight, what is your expectation?
We're expecting a lot of people to join us, and watu wengi wakunye balozi. I can say that. Yeah, sure.
Aza naona nyinyi kama ni Gen Z. Ama ni mimi na mnakaa Gen Z. Let me ask a very simple question. There's a lot of things, negative things happening with the government towards the young generation. Sana the youths. What's your take?
On what exactly?
On actually the whole thing about social media where you post something and there's the whole of abductions.
To be honest, it's a free country, free speech, and I mean, the young people are trying to express themselves. They're trying to express without saying the words. And we hope 2025 the government will hear just Kenyans in general, not just the youth, but Kenyans in general, because the youth are representing the Kenyans. Yeah.
Economy inawapeleka aje ya young generation?
What?
Economy.
It's tough. I can say it's tough. It's tough. We are trying. Si tumekuwa adults juzi. So like it's kind of tough on us. Ruto, do something pale, you know. But we try. You know, it's a world of learning and all that. Yeah, we try. Yeah.
2025. What's your expectations?
I'm expecting a lot. I'm expecting big things. Okay, as a country, I expect a lot, like to grow as a country. Personally, I'm expecting growth as a person. Yeah, I don't know, growth pale, you know. Yeah.
2025, what do you expect?
Political stability for starters, sorry. And money. Yeah, a lot of Kenyans are expecting circulation of money. So that is what we are hoping for in the year 2025. Yes.
To your family, friends, wish them a happy new year.
To my
tu mkiendanga tu. So to your family?
To my family, I wish you a happy new year. Mom, Dad, Albert, yay! My friends, Ivy, Masi, yay! I wish you a happy new year.
To your friends and family?
I'm wishing my mom a happy new year. My grandmother, who I know she's really watching, a happy new year. Yes. And my family in general, happy new year.
Actually, happy new year, and I'm coming for my t-shirt. Aya, asanteni sana. Eyo ni team balozi ego kuna negetha no akigo giko ego onye balozi thano no koro ukiheo t-shirt kuma mwana uyu wa Nokras Riverine ndigo jeru kurigana na stress ya jerire ni Riverine heke na negetha tukoro tukembereria utuko wo mubuthi turi ndumo kinya gukie.